Welcome to the Department of Allied Healthcare Programs at YBN University, where future healthcare professionals are prepared through practical training, advanced laboratories, and industry-focused education.
Optometry is a place where we provide quality of education to our students. For their better professional growth, we conduct different camps in village areas.
Myself Shreya and I am from Optometry department at YBN University. Optometry itself a good course because the eye care professionals are needed in hospital, clinics and as well as in optical industries. This course provides us knowledge about eye care, vision testing and about eye disease.
By completing optometry course, students can do job in many more sectors like eye care hospitals, NGOs, WHO sectors, and they can open their own setup also.
My name is Nafisha Ali and I am currently a student of School of Physiotherapy at YBN University. So when I joined the college first time, I was really looking forward for a place where I just not only get the academic knowledge but also the practical side of healthcare. Here the faculty are not just only knowledgeable but also very approachable. They are really invested in our learnings. They make sure we just not only memorize the concept but also understand the practical side of that concept.
Nutrition science focuses on health, wellness, and the importance of balanced nutrition in disease prevention and recovery. This program helps us understand how nutrition can transform health and improve lifestyles.
Now, nutrition and dietetics field, there are several career opportunities. Like after passing the nutrition and dietetics course, he or she can join as a nutritionist in hospital sector. He or she can work as a nutritionist in critical care unit, in therapeutic unit, join as a diabetic educator, as a pediatric nutritionist, and in public health sector, he and she can work as a nutritionist in NGOs and the others, WHO, UNICEF, like these types of international and national organization. In academic field, he or she can work as a professor, assistant professor, lecturer, and become a PhD scholar and researcher. In sports nutrition field, he or she can work as a sports nutritionist, as a gym trainer, as a fitness trainer. And in food industry, as a nutritionist can develop a food, develop a drug, and also work as a quality control manager also.
Good afternoon, my name is Kumari Arya. I am a student of BMRIT second semester YBN University, Ranchi, Jharkhand. We learn how to operate the machines like X-ray, MRI, CT scan, mammography, etc. etc. This is a very important part of modern medical science as each and every doctor needs imaging for the diagnosis of the problem and the treatment. In this course, we also study about radiation protection and patient safety and care. Radiation protection means to protect yourself from radiation and the patient, and the future in this department is very bright. Like you can work in hospital, you can work in diagnostic centers, in research centers, in research field, or you can also work in a teacher line after BSc, and you can pursue MSc and PhD as well.